The Lynx R1 just launched, and with everything we know, it just brings more questions. Let's start with what we do know. This is the first headset to launch with the new Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 chip. The Lynx R1 sports dual 1600 by 1600 LCD 90Hz panels with an FOV of 90 circular. 2 black and white cameras for positional tracking, 2 IR cameras for eye tracking, 2 built-in stereo speakers, 6 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, and 128 GB of storage. I'm assuming non-expandable. It charges via USB-C and has a 2-hour battery life. It's clear that this headset is aimed towards enterprise customers with its $1,500 price tag. It's available to pre-order now, and for the time being, I'm not seeing any shipping dates. What we still don't know is if it's gonna have any kind of app store or any way to sideload apps, or even controllers for that matter, as we don't see any on the official site. I'll keep you guys posted on Twitter with any updates on the Lynx headset. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.